Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to be taking the head unit out of a 2012 Prius C and replacing it with an aftermarket head unit. Alright, so I'll include a parts list required to do this, as well as the parts I'm putting in the description. As much as I hate to leave that just dangling there, really all we need is this part, so I'm going to leave that for now. Alright, next up we have 4 screws around the outside. Yeah, a magnet will probably come in handy for pulling those screws out back in there. They're a little deep. So, grab yourself a magnet. Or in my case, just let it rest until you get the head unit out. You can pretty easily grab it. This middle one's a bit of a weird clip on mine. Just had to press a little harder on the middle there. Came right out. Alright, so the set that I got has these standoffs that pretty clearly are going to end up like this on the sides of the head unit. So I also have an adapter here that goes from this input, which is the antenna cable, to the back of the radio. Okay, so the wiring kit came with 2 adapters, and then I have the adapter that came with the head unit, so I'll be wiring these together based on the diagrams provided. So next up I'm going to be assembling the faceplate. So the instructions for this basically say to put the front piece together first, and then go ahead and screw the radio in afterwards. Alright, so first I made the mistake of having this upside down, so I went back, double checked. Basically the screw holes don't align. Try flipping it over. I've now, if I put it in and hold up the faceplate, it looks good. So now it's just a matter of working on the auxiliary and a USB piece here, getting that out and replacing it with an aftermarket one I bought. And then getting the soldering done for getting the wiring harness and the adapters mated. So this is apparently push from the back, and it should pop forward. There we go. There's a plug on the back of it, okay. So basically that was really difficult. So, well, not really difficult. So in order to remove this, if you push forward from the back, it'll pop forward. Then there's a clip on the side here that you can compress, and this will come off. Alright, so we have the wires in. We have nicely soldered all these together. Thanks, Frank. and basically just have them in here, just have to plug them in. One little bypass we had to do is we had to cut the 2 of the pins on the second adapter that you don't use for the steering wheel control. It's the blue and the pink here. We're going to test those separately. So these should be the 2 steering wheel control hookups for this car. Can I get the, or are you just going to twist those in for now?
Uh-huh.
I don't think which one matters, but we need to probably verify before we go all in. There you go. It's the far right adapter.
Which one?
Far left adapter.
Oh, this one. Oh, because you know we're using terrestrial radio. Everyone's using terrestrial radio these days.
When the zombie apocalypse comes, will you be able to tune in?
Better be over LTE.
Alright, well, this is fine.
Please touch anything.
This is ready. You want to keep those separate for now? Okay.
Yeah. Gotta keep them separated.
Yeah, you know. Alright. And that's it. That's the full radio install. Just leave it there on the passenger seat. That way the driver can't mess with it. It's really a safety thing.
I should probably do this first.
What?
You gotta do pairing.
Oh, I know.
I see that kind of
I wanted to just plug this in.
Why are you not just pull a piece of tape around both little wires? I feel like this is gonna mess everything up.
There we go. You just take your phone, plug her in, fix that. Got Android Auto connecting now. So we need to program these software controls. Powered up very quickly. So I assume that always on power is working. Put it forward one more and it'll shut up. There it goes. All right. Press the icon arrow on the right to start pairing. All right, let's start pairing. Press one or more of press the up button, the volume up. Please select the function. What was that, volume up?
Yeah, it's digital. Speaker up.
Plus. Down button. Volume down. Hit the mode button. Press it again.
Okay. Oh, mode, yeah. Should have hit the home button. Oh no, it's home on the radio.
Successfully saved. Press the icon on the right to start pairing. All right.
That's pretty cool.
Very nice track.
What happened?
Don't know.
Well, let's see if we're buying a Chinesian thing. What did I tell you would happen?
I think that it did something weird with the buttons. Whatever. Turn it off and back on.
Car.
The car.
Frank, I found this Android audio for $100. Probably a cutting corner somewhere. No, it'll be great.
Please reconnect it. It's just in a boot loop now.
Take your phone out.
Please reconnect it. Turn to dealer for help.
That's funny. Dealer, my Toto is not working. Oh, we got just the fix for you. The 2020 Camry.
System, steering wheel control. The volumes are, you gotta program them all at once.
What?
They lost them all because we did part of them and then another part. All right, volume up. All set.
Good car. All right, toss it in, oh wait, wait, where does this go to? Nothing?
Nothing.
Okay, cool. As long as it's not grounded or anything. Check the car with the rest of the car. And boom, there you go. Just like that, done. Send it off. Nice little radio.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and screw in the head unit. As always, remember to subscribe because let's be honest, I'm getting defunded because I played 15 seconds of a song while testing my radio. All right, so just got this panel we got to snap back in and we're good to go. That's it.
10 steps.
And that's the steps to replace a
Toyota
with an A-Toto.
A Toto for the, oh, hello.
Thanks for that. It's a year.